In this video, you are going to see how to put a text under a line in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us write the text here. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape and hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline and choose the color of your choice. Go to Shape Outline, go to Wide and increase the wide. We can apply another method. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here and write your text here. Now go to Home, go to over here, go to Border and Shading. Click on box border, uncheck the bottom border, left border, right border, and you can change the thickness. You can choose the color of your choice, and let us check and uncheck it again and click on OK. And here you will see the magic. Now I can keep it anywhere in my Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.